Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError can't multiply sequence by non-int of type set. This error typically occurs when you attempt to multiply a sequence by a non-integer value of type set. For example, if you have a list of numbers and you try to multiply it by a set of numbers, you will get this error. When you run this type of given example code, this will result in the following error message. To resolve this error, you need to ensure that you are only multiplying sequences by integers or floats. If you need to perform an operation on sets, you can use set operations such as union, intersection, difference, or symmetric difference. For example, to find the intersection of two sets, you can use the intersection method. Now let's run this example code. This will result in a new set containing the common elements between the two sets.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.